guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some steamed vegetable with fried dumpling, some nice crispy fried dumpling. We're going to do calallo, I found kale, and we're going to use some pak chow. Now you can use either or, you want to use one vegetable, that's okay. Pair with it as well, we're going to do some nice press plantain. Now guys, I want to use this time to wish all of you guys a happy and blessed new year. Guys, thank you so much for supporting Jamrock Vegan. I can't stress this enough. It means a lot to me for you guys to just pause anytime I post a video and watch it and liking and commenting. I really do appreciate all of you. Let's go into this year with a positive attitude, guys. We can all conquer everything together. Remember to be your neighbor's keeper. Let's get started in this video. Now, to make your fried dumpling, guys, I have here 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to go in with the dry ingredients first, which is my baking powder. Now, to each cup of flour, I want you to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, right? And because I have there 2.5, I'm going to use just 2 and a little bit of baking powder, right? We're going to add some salt. Want to give that a quick little mix up. And I'm also going to use butter. I find butter is a tenderizer, so it will let your dumpling be soft and nice on the inside, right? And I work with the dumpling first, the fried dumpling first, because I want the dough to rest. Then I move over to preparing the vegetables. It's very important, guys, to let your dough of any sort rest before you work with it. So after you finish kneading it, you allow it to sit and rest for around 15 minutes, right? Now you're going to add enough water to bring the dough together. We don't want a tight or dry dough, so we want it to be nice and soft. And work with a little bit of water at a time. Don't dash all the 1 cup of water in there, guys, because you may not use all of it. I know some persons don't like tomato in their vegetables when it's been steamed. You know, you can always leave it out, right? Now I've washed and prepared my vegetables ahead of time, which is the calallo and my pak chow. You see I cut it up. Now what I'm going to do is just to rough chop the kale. I like the different texture in the vegetables. Now our dough here is ready, so we're going to see how nice and relaxed it is. We're going to pick from it. You can either decide if you want to do the round dumplings or you want to do the twisted ones. The choice is yours also. And I'm doing the twisted ones. Ensure your oil is already been heating up because we're going to fry these. You don't want to fry your dumpling in cold oil, right? I find that it will absorb too much of the oil in the middle of the dumpling and nobody wants that, right? Now our oil is hot. A good way you can know when your oil is hot, you start to smell it and it also changes color. So when you put them in, everything's supposed to be bubbling, right? And I don't want you guys to overcrowd your pot either. You want to fry your dumplings until they're golden brown. You want to continuously turning them because you don't want them to burn, right? And your oil should be at medium heat, not high. Now while our dumplings are still frying off, we're going to start with our vegetables. So we're going to saute our vegetables in a little while. And a nice way you can know when your dumpling is thoroughly fried, they tend to kind of float to the top or they change color. So they look bright yellow. So we don't want to rush them because we want it to soak, the oil to soak right through the dumplings, right? Alright, so in this we have garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to add our thyme. And we're going to work with the carrot first since that is harder to break down. So remember now, when your dumpling is fried, it's not going to feel heavy. It's going to feel very light. So if it feels heavy, guys, it's not fried on the inside, right? Going in with our scallion and onion. Now we're going to add some black pepper. Some salt. And I like to steam my calallo with a little bit of ground cumin. Dumpling look nice, right guys? Lovely fried dumplings we have here. Light in taste, don't taste heavy at all. I find that when you use a little bit of the baking powder, your dumplings tend to be hard like rock. You know, when you fry them and you put them down a little here, brush over them, then get really hard. Not with this one. Now we're going to go in with our vegetables, the calallo. Or pak choy. some kale. You just leave everything to just steam down, right? We're going to go in with the tomatoes. I never want them to cook out right out. And a little bit more salt. Now guys, you can notice I did not use any water in my vegetables at all because the vegetables tend to steam enough water. What I'm going to do now guys is to just turn it off and let the heat from the pot continue to cook the vegetables. We don't want to serve people black vegetables, right? We don't want to overcook them. So the heat from the pot will continue to cook, and I'm going to take it off the burner. Now guys, I found this nice little gadget in the store. It says the instruction we should press the plantain before we fry it. Let's see how it works. If it don't work, guess what? We just do it with original Jamaican way, right? So we are going to just do half of this plantain here. And you want to score along the line to peel the plantain. So make we try one little piece and see what I want. Alright, you can go on. We are going to continue to use it. Alright guys, these are finished frying, and what you want to do is to just drain it off on some paper towel, and you can sprinkle your salt over it at that time. So all in all, the little gadget there was okay. Me just not used to it. Alright lovely people, our food has finished cooked and ready to eat. And you can notice everything has maintained the bright color. That is what you want, right? Nice restaurant style fried dumpling guys. Me not like to no. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time guys. Bye.